Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 1 Matter and its composition. In this video, I am going to explain you about the topic characteristic of the particle of matter. So, let us know about it. Characteristic of particle of matter. So let us know the characteristic of the particle of matter. First, particles of the matter have space space between them. Space between them. This space is known as interparticular 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 space or intermolecular space. Second, particles of the matter are always in random motion. Random motion. Third, particles of the matter attract to each other. Each other. So dear student, these are the few characteristics of the particle of the matter. Let us understand about it. First, particles of the matter have space between them. and this space is known as a interparticular space or intermolecular space. Let us understand about the intermolecular space. Dear student, suppose that this is a liquid state of the matter, and as you know, in the liquid state one atom is far from other. So the space between the two atom or the two particle of the matter is known as a interparticular space or intermolecular space, dear student. You can see here space between the two atom. There is a space, and this space is known as a interparticular space. Next is particles of the matter are always in the random motion. What do you mean by the random motion? Means always the particle of the matter, always continuously they used to move. Always they show the movement. And always they move in unidirectional. Means not in the perfect direction. In any direction they used to move. Okay. And continuously they are in motion. So the particle of the matter are always in the random motion. Random motion means unidirectional motion, dear student. Third is particle of the matter attract to each other. Means each particle of the matter attract to each other to come close to each other. So you see here the two atoms always attract each other by a force. Always used to attract to each other by a force, and this force is known as a intermolecular force. Intermolecular force or interparticular force, dear students. So the force by which two atoms come closer to each other, is known as a interparticular force or intermolecular force. So these are the three important characteristics of the particle of the matter. So dear student, please you read and learn about it. Thank you, dear students.